lot to think about. There's all these changes we had to go in on each. Why y'all got lost in that? You can come down the middle, but if you do, lift your left hand.
I'll do another strip.
Alright, you're going to lift the left hand when you come down. Don't stop the cone and be walking like you're around. So you get that left hand up when you turn in here. Push him over with your right rein, right leg. Left hand up. Right leg back. Push him over with your right rein. Left hand up. Now you're going to find a beautiful stop. Cool. Now right hand up. Right leg. All you got to do is switch legs here. And yes! Now big circle. Perfect. So keep that leg back and up turn. You can cut this corner if it's a little tight. Why don't you come down the middle that direction if you want, but right hand up. Right hand up. Find your stop. Good. Now, side cut. Now that's right. All you got to do is switch legs. Put that leg back in. Yes! You can cut this corner if it's too tight. Now let's do one more. No, do one more. Left hand up and forward. Right hand up, right leg, switch legs, and depart. Got it.